Completely remodeled and ready for its new family, this 3-bed 2-full-bath home will wow you when you walk in. A split foyer floor plan with 2 bedrooms upstairs and the main suite and basement level. No expense was spared with the finishes and fixtures in this home. The kitchen boasts beautiful sage cabinets, granite countertops, white subway tile backsplash, and all new stainless steel appliances. Right outside the kitchen door is a nice new deck to enjoy a family cookout. The upstairs bathroom has a large shower tub combo with a tile surround. Both of the bedrooms upstairs have wonderful natural light and nice size step-in closets. Did I mention the flooring throughout the home is 100% waterproof? The main suite was well planned and the bathroom is gorgeous. The bathroom has a large 48 inches stand-up shower, a new single vanity with granite top, built-in cabinet for linens, and an accent wall that pulls it all together. On this level you will find a good-sized laundry/mudroom as well. This home has a new water heater, heat pump, water lines, double